Aloha and welcome to another edition of Getting Educated with the MLS or Taxmap key information. Here is a listing that an agent called me about, and he wanted an aerial view of a property for his clients. So a great tool, if you click on, as you can see, if you have the MLS tool, you can click on the Taxmap key, and from here you can see that you can go into the county records and county records will pop up. So again, this is another great resources for your clients or yourself, whoever. It gives you if it has permits or tax history, if they're delinquent. This is a great tool. But for this situation, we're going to go over and see the aerial view. They've really improved this, and they've got some nice new feature. You've got yearly sales. You can even do it by address. You can zoom out and you can see what the property looks like. I'm just going to advise you that the property line isn't going to be as accurate as you want it to be. So you do need to hire a staking or survey company to get the most exact. So again, this is the aerial view. The clouds do change, so hopefully they do update it on a regular basis. So in this situation, it's pretty cloudy. You can do other settings to mess around. You can also print out. You can also do measurements. This is a great tool to do measurements for the property. You start on one corner and get an estimated idea. It's really a cool tool. So let's just say you don't have the MLS login, but you want to still use this tool. Well, it's public information. So if you Google Hawaii real tax property, it'll come up with hawaiipropertytax.com, and you can go to the website. You can search, accept the terms, search records. At the same time, you do need to know either the address of the property, the legal name, or the Taxmap key. In this situation, I have the Taxmap key, and this is a great way. It's not going to work this way, but what you can do is follow the prompts. So I'm going to teach you how to do it, and here you go. So it says island number, which is 3, is not entered, so we're going to delete that. Zone is 1. It's always going to be 1 digit, and then section is going to be always 1 digit, and the plat number will be 3 digits. So you just put a 0 and then also the parcel number will be 3 digits. And here you go, it auto fills, and so you can select it, and then it'll pop up same information on the parcel information, and then you click on it, and there you go. I hope this was very intuitive and the instructions detailed. If you have any further questions, leave a comment and enjoy your day. Mahalo.